Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. It's hidden under a different name, guys. Where the fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So right here, guys, we'll demonstrate where the MAF sensor fuse is located on a 2012 model Ford F-150. But even if you have a different year but that same generation F-150, it will work as well. Right here, guys, this is the fuse box that we'll be working on. This is right under the hood. When you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator in the middle, you have the fuse box. When you open it, you will face it this way. The relays will be towards the windshield on the back side. This will be towards you. You have different kinds of fuses and relays that at the parts store can be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping, so please check it out. Before we continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we'll need to check specifically for the mass airflow sensor, if you have problems with that, with the mass airflow sensor, guys, you will need to come right here in that row you can see. And even if you have a missing fuse, you still count the spot. You start with fuse number 1, 2. That fuse is known as fuse number 76, that 20 amp fuse in our case. That's the fuse, guys, okay, right here for the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to find it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.